Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Ensure your Dyson SV11 is unplugged and empty before starting. First, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the 2 screws. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Next, gently pry off the back cover of the vacuum with your flathead screwdriver. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. Once the cover is removed, you will see the internal components. Here, it's important to check for any dust buildup. If necessary, clean the area to ensure optimal performance. Now, locate the ring that needs to be replaced. You should see a small clip holding it in place. Using your pliers, carefully pinch the clip and release it. This step can be tricky, take your time to avoid any damage. If you find the process overwhelming, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the clip is removed, you can easily take out the old ring. Before installing the new ring, check its alignment with the internal components to ensure it fits correctly. If you don't have the tools or confidence to proceed, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. Now, place the new ring into position. Ensure it is seated properly, you should hear a soft click when it's correctly aligned. Next, reattach the clip by pinching it back into place with your pliers. Ensure it is secure, as this will hold the ring in position during use. After securing the new ring, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press it into place until all clips are seated correctly. Then, take your Phillips head screwdriver and replace the 2 screws you set aside earlier. Tighten them securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten as this can strip the screws. With the back cover secured, it's important to perform a final check. Look inside to ensure everything is properly seated and there are no loose parts. If you find anything amiss, don't hesitate to reach out to us for a quote before repair. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV11 and turn it on to test the new ring. Listen for any unusual sounds and check for proper suction. If everything is working smoothly, you've successfully changed the ring. If you encounter any issues, remember, no calls, no travel, just contact us for assistance. We're here to help you with any repairs you may need. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.